Hey, Natsa. I've rushed to Natsa. Natsa, guys. Good morning. Coffee time Sunday. Salut, Silvio. Good morning. Let's have a proper calibrated coffee, huh? Durban. Thank you. Good morning. No sugar in mine, please? Yeah, I have no sugar in mine also. Sammy, good morning. So, how is everyone, huh? How is the weather there? Proper nice. I mean, like 20, 21 degrees. It's nice. Morning, guys. So, how is everyone? Huh? Everyone enjoy the videos from this week? Any questions? Did Temu send the gifts? Yeah, they send the gifts. I have two tracking numbers from the two Romanians guy. They won the giveaway. I don't have the tracking number from the Italian guy who the third was the third winner. Mark, good morning. Popescu Neața, mulțumesc. Îți trimit mesaj pe forum după, bine? The GPU was definitely warm. Sorin wasn't wrong. You know, it doesn't make sense. I mean, the DRMOS was not shorted, so how the GPU was warm? I think it was just, I didn't apply too much current, and probably that's the reason why I got confused. On the other hand, people said on that job, yeah, but you can clearly see it from the other side because the heat was kind of spreaded. But that's how the MOSFETs are looking. So a hot MOSFET is looking exactly like that one because the MOSFETs are sold on the motherboard and the heat is spreading very quickly. So I really got confused about that. Lunch money. Yeah, I do have the oscilloscope. It's somewhere here. It's somewhere there. I still have it. Yeah, it's a very good one. Like 200 megahertz oscilloscope. Alias are not available to Tunisia. Yeah, so the only way to solve the problems is for the membership, you can use a VPN, and for the Temu, you can participate to the giveaways and you give the right answer in short time and you can win. Hilaway, I'm from Ethiopia and I want to take your course. Not sure what do you mean I want to take your course. Can any item from your store be shipped to Nigeria? Only if you go on the website, and there where I have that service request form for repairs, you just write there, okay, I want that and that and that. Then I'll send you the invoice, you pay the invoice, and I'll send you the things. Please make a video or mobile. You know what? I never done something like that, David. So not sure. I mean, why you reball a CPU in the first place? FLM, good morning. I already been asked, well, what lead you to the UK? You know, it was after the financial crisis, and I didn't have money to pay the rent, so I had to do something. So I borrowed some money, and I came to England. And initially, I came to someone, which was a taxi driver. So he helped me. I took my taxi driving license, and I worked like 1 week or 2 weeks like taxi driver, and then I found a job on the computer shop where I worked for like 10 years. Silviu, nu puteam spune eu mai bine, înțelegi? Dar exact ăla este cuvântul. Când e singur, e simplu. Dacă îmi dai o familie, înțelegi, și 2 copii, yeah. Moji, I want to buy your course if there is any. I'm really sorry, I'm not selling any course. Everything is on YouTube. It's for free. You don't have to pay anything. Do you recommend any books for it? No. Learn fast theory is by practicing. Otherwise, you're not gonna learn. I really doubt you will learn electronic from books, because you have to experiment some things. Yeah. So I said that we have that channel, Sorin and Diana. You can start from there with the beginner. If Diana learn electronics, you can learn. But practicing, okay, what I'm doing today I'm doing a blinking LED. Yeah, so you build the stuff, you build them on the air because it's quick. Yeah, you don't need board and stuff, and you finish. Okay, what about next? Next, we are building a audio amplifier, preamp, I don't know, relay, sensors, whatever. And you know, they probably it will not work, or you probably will burn them. And that's how you learn. You start learning about the currents and voltages. FLM, thank you very much. Thank you very much for your donation. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Great video on the laptop with the backlight problem. I think this is a result of speed. Speed, what do you mean? Drugs? Want to get the job done. You know what? That's not about the want to get the job done. There's no other way to get that job done. But I was wrong. I was after that I realized I've actually too. Thank you very much for 10 members gift. Thank you. Very nice from you. Thank you. It was about, I think I was wrong. Actually, that 60 mil, it's actually 60 millimeters, the track size. And it's not like a current limit. So I believe that screen is good. I believe actually the chip, which was, managing the voltage for the inverter, that one was faulty. And this doesn't change the results. I mean, I will apply exactly the same things, just bypassing that chip. But yeah, after that, I realized, wait, that's mil. Mil is not MA. So yeah, I was wrong there. So probably that screen is good. 500 milliamps is, it's a decent amount of current. Human, thank you very much. Thank you very much for the donation. Thank you. Thank you, guys. I saw, I saw that on Type-C laptops, you don't use power supply to charge the laptop. Type-C is quite complicated. I cannot use the power supply. The Type-C, you need a circuit inside a PD controller. Yeah, so PD controller is speaking with other PD controller. So I cannot use the power supply. Lunch money, thank you very much for a gift. Thank you. Thank you. Do you know the best way to remove the black elastic epoxy crap from the Lenovo motherboards? I used this in the past. This one. So this is a solution you apply on the board, you leave it like 4 hours, and it will take that black stuff out. So you can try it. But be careful because it's very, it will affect your skin. So try to avoid your skin. Darius Nansa. Ako, good morning. Morning, guys. What makes a good oscilloscope? Probably the sample rate and the frequency. Yeah, probably. Mirchan Natsa. How is the hand? It's getting better. So check here. I have no problem in here. The wound is closing. So I'm nearly fine. Can you explain how main power rail chip generator works? Not sure what do you mean. If you are a little bit more precise, I can explain you, yeah. By the way, I don't want to be I'm trying to stay humble, yeah? I have a problem and I want to ask you, how many people from this chat bought the hot air station from Temu? That one with $10. I want to know if you guys bought it and use it, and I'm just asking. I need a technical question about that hot air. Me and return it? Why? It was quite good. Dan, pentru prețul care era camera aia, $50, face toți banii. I mean, și dacă nu dai 50, dai cât e prețul ei acum 100 și face toți banii. Mă refer bani calitate la chestia asta. And it's working perfectly. Okay, let me ask you something. 1 second. I don't even know where it is. Okay, Diana took it. You know what's the problem? So the hot air, I was doing a job. I was doing the data recovery, the second video, and suddenly it was heating, but not that much. And I tried to push up the temperature. Now the temperature on my air station is going to 999 degrees. So it's not stopping at 500. And basically the temperature is like kind of mild, kind of around 200 degrees up to like nearly full. like 900 and something degrees. And on that point, after 900, it start heating up at max. I can see like red. So not sure if it's a software thing or what happened there. Because you swap it to really? No way. It has a settings for that? Oh, okay, that sucks then. I thought it's faulty and has a firmware has some firmware issue. Oh lol. Okay, because I swapped back to my other one. I said, you know what, must be faulty. I cannot trust the temperature I'm setting there, so I swapped to the other one. Uh, okay, that makes sense then. That makes sense. Did you get the air settings adjuster working? No. But I seen on the chat people said, okay, you cannot adjust the airflow, and that can be normal for this. But some people said they can adjust the airflow. So again, I'm confused. Does matter how you have probes? Can you use the red? No, you can't. You never do something like that. Yeah, always keep black for ground and red for plus. That's important. Otherwise, you'll get confused. That's a sorry. Um, Revolut. If I'm telling you for a phone, yeah, for like a you know 200 grams phone, I pay over £100 postage, and I could not send it. I could not send it. They send me the phone back. So I have to send it with some dodgy people. They come with the car, they pick up the package, but they deliver the package. But for a laptop, we are speaking over £200 in postage, like 250. You sure it's worth this kind of money? UK is not on Europe anymore. It's a pain to send anything out there. Uh, Again, hi Sorin, I have a dead laptop. I am from Algeria. You're willing to pay over £200 in postage? Huh? Only from here to there. Yeah, that's all. Probably not. So the postage it will be way more expensive compared with the repair. If can be repaired. Can you ship from France? No. No, I can't. I can't. It's way too complicated. For myself doesn't it's not worth. So first the postage is expensive. Now the truck postage with insurance, it's extremely expensive. We are speaking here about hundreds of pounds. Then I have to complete all kind of custom declaration and all kind of stuff. It's way too complicated. But finding postage with insurance, that's nearly impossible. And if you find it, it's very expensive. Did you read comments about? We spoke about that, Don. We spoke about that. Yeah, I was wrong there. Do you have a schematic of HP? One second. It's not on our Discord. You sure? What about forum? You checked on forum? You checked on our forum? Yeah, I can see BIOS. I can see BIOS files for the laptop. I can see EC chip firmware on Discord. Let me check on forum. Let me see if I can find something on forum. No, I can't find anything. What about Google? You try on Google? The thing is, you're not going to find a schematic like this. HP G3A20. No, you have to write the board model number. I think that's the only reason. That's the only reason why you will not find the schematic. Because you write the model. I found the board model. 1 second. 1 second. It is on Vinafix, but I'm looking if I can find it on a different place. Yeah, I found it. So check by the by the board number. 1 second. No, I didn't. I found a BIOS. 1 second. No. Yeah, I'm not sure why it's not available for free. I mean, yeah. Why do you use Type-C power adapters and not I'm not sure what do you mean. Type-C adapters. Not sure what do you mean. Moldo, good morning. Zoltan, good morning. But I don't know, a good service shop in Romania? There are a lot. All you have to do is to, ask. You can ask on our Discord. You can ask, for a computer shop which can fix it. Where can I get schematics for laptops, phones, and other electronics? Google. Did you try Google? I have people, I uploaded the video and said, sorry, from where you get the schematic? From Google. You search on Google. That's how you get the schematic. It's not like before. Now you can find it on different forums. For free, obviously. Look, you see, Silviu is from Romania, from Bucharest, and yeah, Silviu is good. Do you fix electronics other than laptops? Yes, I do. But depends what kind of electronics. Some electronic doesn't work to be repaired. Getting a schematic. No, it's for free. What do you mean? It's so much schematics for free. I mean, on my personal forum, it's not that much. But the bad caps forum is like full of schematics and board views. Even our Discord, it's a bunch of like BIOS files and EC firmware and schematics and board views. All you have to do is to search and to know how to search. Because if you search by the laptop model number, probably you're not going to find it. But if you search by the board model number, that's a different story. Do you have a BIOS programmer who work without desoldering the chips? Probably any programmer can do something like that. My Revel Pro programmer is doing. I can read the chip without desoldering. But you have to know exactly the voltage, because if the chip is soldered, means you are powering on more stuff on that board. Mark, it is possible to damage a board if I plug USB-C charger into a non-charge. No. They are. If I no. They are made. They are made in such a way you cannot damage. No, I don't think you can. What type of USB charger do you use for a laptop that can handle the load? I'm using the Anchor one, which has PD 3.1. I mean, you know what? Just it's not even point to show you. On the description of any video, description of any video, you'll find there my tools. It's a link. It's an Amazon link. It's my Amazon store. You go there and you find everything I'm using there, including the USB-C charger. Hal, thank you very much. Oh, that's fantastic. Thank you. Yeah, I will set up the hot air. Thank you very much. Yeah, I really appreciate it. I thought, it's faulty. Merry Christmas. It's not Christmas. What do you mean Christmas? Do you have board view? I don't. Yeah, if I need something, I'm searching. And you are doing the same mistakes. You don't search for the laptop model number. Yeah, open and take the board out and check the board model number. Good morning, guys. From what I want to correct you from the last video I saw, yeah, I know, I spoke about that. I know. But that doesn't change the outcome. Yeah. So yeah, okay, that was 60 millimeters, the track side. So I'm assuming the current taken by the screen is right. That means that chip was faulty. So on either case, I will use a wire to jump that chip. So yeah. I mean, to use a Type-C laptop adapters and not the side. You mean these adapters? These, they have like 2 pins, so you can use it with your power supply. Yeah, you can use it with your power supply. But the USB-C, like I said, you need a PD controller there. Yeah. I mean, this, like this, is like, my things, like, you see, like this. You see, you will believe this is a USB-C, and it's not. It's just, it's just a connector which it's using 2 wires for plus and minus. Yeah, so this is no USB-C. And that's how I'm charging the You see my grinder. No, my grinder actually has micro USB. Yeah. No, I can't show you. Where is the number 3 wire for connectors? It's inside. So when you see like something like that, yeah, and you have the ID pin there. Actually, it's take current on inside here, and on the input you still have only plus and minus. How much money you earn per month with this job? Farid, if you are looking to do this for money, it's not gonna work. You're not gonna learn. Why don't you use a thread for every problem on your Discord? Yeah, but what can I do? What can I do? You see me posting on Discord? People, they can open a thread, but they don't. So what can I do? Can I force them? It's up to them if they want to open a thread or not. I found a shorted coil. A coil cannot be shorted. I mean, can be, but 100% yours is not. Coil is a wire. So if you ask yourself if the coil is shorted, I think the best is to go back to basics, like, starting with the ohm law. I mean, like in a forum. I know what you mean, but we cannot, change people. Of course not. Wreck cars. Of course, the USB-C is just a poor port. No. How they can be better compared with the old one? No way. How do you charge a customer when you replace a component and you don't replace it? It doesn't matter if I'm replacing or not. That's not important. What is important, I took the job not working, yeah? I delivered the things working. Where did I work? I work on the motherboard, then it's a fixed price for a motherboard repair. Yeah. How much customer pay for 1 or 2 hour job? 1 or 2 hour job. The customer doesn't pay for the job. The customer pay for the assembly, like motherboard. I fix the motherboard, that's the price for the motherboard. I fix the charging port, that's the price for the charging port. Doesn't matter if I only resolder the charging port or, important is I fix it or not. On the data recovery, yeah, the data recovery is £100 per hour. That's what I charge. Maybe you'll believe it's a lot, but trust me, there are people charging more than that, more than £100 per hour. Hello, Dr. Sorin. Calibrated standard coffee. Yeah, it is a calibrated coffee. Donor boards are not available. How to obtain replaced components? You know what? I'm not looking to have exactly the same board. You can have components on different boards. Do you have a business permit for? Business permit? No, I don't even have a company. What do you mean? You don't need something like that here. Anyone can be like, doing their things, earning their money, like self employed. You don't need something like that. business permit. No. Like pay tax, you pay tax per income. Doesn't matter what you're doing. Even if I get donation, I have to pay tax. I charge 5 Domino's pizza per hour. Yeah, compare with the pizza, then you can, people are getting this right. In my country, I need a business permit to run such a business. Probably not. I never heard something like that. Probably not. I mean, if I want to fix cars, yeah, I'm fixing cars. I don't need permit, right? I mean, you work for yourself. You don't have business. You don't have employees. You don't have, you know. I mean, probably you need, to tell them you work, you make money working by yourself, but you don't need a permit for something like that. You can't even get a permit for repairs, electronic repairs. Marianne, probably the. How about the shop? You're going back to repair shop? Probably not, because if I'm doing that, I don't have my setup. The microscope from work was an old one. Not sure if the owner it will want to buy a new one. Then I don't have the tools I have here, so means I can't do video. Santos, I didn't do electronics. I did only chemistry on school. Can you help me with the power supply? Try and ask on our Discord, yeah? Place the link there. But probably you can find a better deal on like AliExpress. By the way, Temu, I have 6 items this time. Proper nice. I mean, a microscope, digital microscope for 99p. What do you think about that? Huh? It's like a mobile one with screen and camera. You can actually inspect the board. Then I have a Bluetooth speaker, and the sound quality is amazing, amazing. I have to do that video, yeah. Why not just double the video equipment? Double. My daughter is starting the university at the end of this month, and I have sick amount of money to pay there. I can't afford anything for at least 3 years. Hey, Sorin, can you please tell me a few things about I made so many videos about this. How you disable the GPU? I made so many videos. Are you getting the iPhone 6 Pro Max? No way. If you've seen the the Apple event, so actually it's not much improvement. They said, it's taking 30% less battery, but that's all. I mean, it's not even worth to bother buying this year iPhone. And you know what is pissing me off? On they are using like words which have no sense, like Apple Intelligence. What the freak is that? You know what I mean? It's like AI bot or what? So I watched the event, but I couldn't understand what it is. Dar el a renunțat de mult. If you study chemistry, how did you end up with repairing electronics? It was a hobby. From I was like a little kid. I said that story so many times. No, Okmer, no. The microscope from work it was good. It's from Cambridge Optics, and this one is the Chinese one, the Amscope. Petka, I have no idea. I have no idea. But clearly, my next CPU it will not be Intel. I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm playing like games and stuff, and sometimes just crashing, and you ask yourself, okay, why is crashing? Because of the CPU? Because the game is bad? Because I have a Windows issue? Because I have a hardware issue? And yeah, and I don't want to ask these questions. Bandon, I'm trying to understand your questions, but I can't. Zakaria, wait till tomorrow. Yeah, and tomorrow I'll publish a video which is referring to this kind of fault, like switching on and off quickly. Yeah, the video is still it's available for members only at the moment, but it will be published tomorrow. Just wait till tomorrow, please. Ceva cicățelul, excelent. Nu are nicio problemă, crește. Did you learn from someone? No, no. On that time, we didn't have internet. We have books. But books doesn't really help me a lot. Help me like books with schematics, yeah. So I could pick up a schematic and build it. What is the difference do you see on a laptop motherboard made back in 2010 and currently? You will be laughing, but I have a job. Yeah, I have a job and I will publish that video. So the laptop is a Clevo and actually has a normal desktop CPU inside. You can believe that? That's crazy. And I found few DRMOS like that and replaced them, and it's working. I'm still waiting for a DRMOS for VRAM, but the laptop is working fine. Okay, I think it's time for me to change the. How do you start electronic repairs? Electronic repairs is like a normal path, yeah. So you learn electronics, and that's normal. you move to repairs. That's kind of a normal path. You don't think? I mean, what you can do, you can either go to like design and stuff or repairs. Otherwise, how you can make money? Which bench power supply are you using? You can't find that anymore. My it's an old one. It's La Volta BPS 305, but you're not gonna find it. Sammy, yeah, you know what? The world is changing. I mean, on my time, you can't throw away not even a cable. But on these days, you know, it's not like before. Nagi, morning, what's up? Nothing, we are just having a proper calibrated coffee. What is the status with the fly school? Any updates? Orion, my daughter, it will start 28 this month. It will start the university. 23, we have the class 1 medical test on London. And she will start with the ground school. And she will start with the ground school and she will continue the fly school. She has like 6 hours, 7 hours of flight hours. And she will continue with the flight hours there, yeah? Because there are like two small airports and yeah. Instead of, it's like from here there to Wycombe. I don't even know how you. Anyway, I had like 2 hours trip. Yeah, 2 hours. So it's no point doing trips for the fly school. So she will take the hours there. I mean, I'm so worried. I'm so worried because days are not like before. So now the young people, they are dealing with different kind of stuff, like drugs and bad things can happen. And yeah, I'm worried like a father. You know what I mean? Because my daughter was never alone, so it will be hard. It will be hard. It will be hard, definitely. Sami, I know independence is a good teacher. I know the problem is myself. I know I have an issue. I know I have a problem. And whatever bad things it will happen, I can't hold myself. It's, hard to explain this feeling. But all I have, because I'm a poor guy, all I have is the family. So yeah. I'm pretty sure any parent from the chat it will understand the feeling. Are you succeed leaving regular cigarettes behind? Nah, you know what? This week, my mother-in-law came here. Diana mom, and she brought me like 2 packets to a set of cigarettes. So I have like 20 package of cigarettes. So yeah, no, I can't do it. You are not poor, you are rich in your mind. Tell that to my landlord. Uh, in your house, you speak Romanian or English? With kids, I have to speak in English. They are not speaking Romanian. My daughter still understands Romanian, but my son doesn't. And with Diana, I'm speaking Romanian. Yeah. Ray, yeah, you're right. You're right. That's all what we need. It's not rosin. No, no, no. But you know what? I was about to do this mistake few times to put rosin instead of. I mean, the color it's about the same. You can see. You can't see. Yeah, it's about the same color. The liquid. Zip the chicken. I don't like the idea of smoking oil and gets in your lungs. This is not oil. Yeah, so I know there are some oils, but that's for people they love to smoke. That huge amount of smoke straight to the lungs. I'm smoking mount to the lungs, which is a little bit different. So the juice is not oil. This one, I'm not saying it's good, but if you think no one is perfect, you think I'm perfect. No, I'm not. I have my things, and I know it's wrong. That's the thing. I know it's wrong, but I have like over 30 years of smoking. It's not that easy to quit. I've actually too. Thank you very much for the gifted sub. Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate it. The members number are going up. Thank you. I smoke tobacco also. We are all human. On a point of the life, when I was younger, I seen the people doing the wrong thing, and I try to change the people, which proved to be pointless. Yeah, the first thing, you don't know if he's right or wrong. You just believe you're right and he's wrong. And the second, it's kind of pointless to try change people. It's just better to see about yourself. Can we expect something special, interesting job coming? Yeah, I do have that laptop. That nice laptop. If that probably that's the best laptop, gaming laptop I ever seen. That's the best one. I mean, with the normal desktop CPU and uh, it's proper nice made. I didn't expect something like that from Clevo. Yeah, like a big heatsink, big like fans, proper nice gaming machine. I seen on your website you have some learning class, but not open yet. When the guy made the website, I told him to leave that there because if I will have some time, I would love to have like a online meeting with people, and but it's kind of like a live stream. I mean, yeah, there's no really point. What's wrong with it? Was like few DRMOS was burned, but the laptop is still fine. I mean, I changed 2 DRMOS, all from GPU. I changed 2 DRMOS, and the laptop is coming on. The GPU is working fine. But I have 1 DRMOS from VRAM, but the VRAM has 2 DRMOS, so now it's working with one. Obviously, the laptop is here, it's in pieces. So I'm waiting for the. I will tell you what DRMOS is. I mean, those are quite good, and we found these DRMOS on Dell. You remember that Dell video? So actually, this DRMOS is quite decent, well made. So in case something goes wrong, the DRMOS is getting shorter and it's not sending power to the GPU or whatever it's on the output. This one. 1 second. This one. PC screen. MP A694. A694. This one. Yeah, are quite good. Quite good. Yeah. So I'm waiting for that chip to arrive, and then I'll finish the job. Bulldog, sorry, do you have any females watching your channel? Not that many. It's like 1-2% I can see on the statistics. I was expecting, to, I'm always, arguing with Diana. We are making a picture. We made a picture. 1 second. We made that picture, and I tell Diana, you know what? From this picture, I'm the beautiful one. Where is the picture? Huh? And, I always tell Diana, I'm the beautiful one from the family. Stella, I'm here as a female. That's good to know. Thank you. Thank you for being here. You see? The females are on the chat. Yeah. Come on. Okay, guys. We are here from about an hour. I finished my coffee. I'm here too. You see, Didi is here. You see, Diana is here. Why do you delete videos sometimes? I'm never deleting videos. I can count on the fingers what videos I delete from when I had this channel till now. Luca. What video do you think is deleted? Just tell me one. I delete one video 2 weeks. It's not deleted. Sorry, it was. I switched it to private. I had an issue with a customer, and the customer said, "You know what? Please take out my video with my job." Of course, was nothing there to see anyway. But I did switch to private that video. It was the video with the swapping motherboard. That one. Have you missed the shop you worked before? Yeah, kind of. I'm missing the the shopping center itself. Are you back to work in the shop? No. You said you might. That's what I said, and that's what the guy want. The owner of the shop. We are friends, like how I said we are friends. But it's a problem because he need phone repairs also, and I don't have time for phone repairs. And he want Diana to do the phone repairs. But if I'm there and Diana is there, we have the puppy, we have the dog here, yeah, and then we have my son who has to be picked up from school like 3 o'clock, and the program there, the opening times is from like 9 o'clock to 5 o'clock, and it's more complicated. So I prefer to try to have a deal and take the repairs here instead of take the repairs here like every day and return it on the same day instead of having to work there. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna stop now. I just want to say thank you for being here. Thank you for having a coffee with me. I will upload tomorrow a nice video with a nice tip for laptop coming on and switching off like in the next second. Yeah, we'll do have a barbecue today. Yeah, just have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow. Okay? Thank you one more time for being here. Bye.